Yeah, I'm Richard. I've just started as a bike mechanic for Lochaber Environmental Group. We're a small charity which has got a bike project attached to that, which is looking to promote active travel in the Lochaber area. I'm going to be working hopefully with a strong team of volunteers to recycle bikes to donate to local residents under our Adopt a Bike scheme. We hope to run bike maintenance workshops to encourage people to learn how to pick up the tools and learn how to fix their own bike. We'll be offering guided bike rides, including e-bikes, to just give people a chance to get the leg over an assisted pedalling bike, to maybe encourage people who wouldn't possibly be able to cycle to get active in the area.